Hi guys, welcome to new video. This video is very interesting for you if you want to protect your mobile phone by snatcher. Guys, you have seen the biggest mistake we do while listening the mobile phone is we hold the mobile phone in such a way that the mobile phone can be easily snatched from your hand. And if you hold such a mobile even while walking, he will easily snatch it. The first way to protect the mobile phone from being stolen is to hold the mobile phone in such a way that while listening, your fingers should be placed in such a way that even if the snatcher comes and snatching a mobile phone from your hand, the mobile cannot come out of your hand easily because your grip is strong. Now here you can do easily any martial art attacks. Now we will show you. Guys, you have to be aware that whether you are walking in markets or walking on roadside, snatcher can take the mobile phone out of your hand. So you have to be mentally prepared forever. If a snatcher grabs the mobile phone from your hand, you have to immediately attack. And every time hold the mobile phone in this way. And put your finger like this. Now let's show you. By holding the mobile phone firmly, as you can see, the mobile is in my hand, and here you can do front kick. Guys, if you like the video, then subscribe our channel and share video with your friend so that we can bring you more interesting techniques for you. Thank you.